Hi everyone, it's Carolyn from True Crime Chat with Mommy Ramblings, and I'm here with another update, the second one today, in the Lori Vallow Daybell case. Earlier we reported that she was found unfit, not fit to stand trial. That's for not the new charges. This is for the concealment of evidence charges, but we don't know how it's going to affect those murder charges. Could just be that they're trying to avoid an appeal and they're trying to cross their T's and dot their I's and make sure that it's looked into so that they can't come back and then say it was never looked into whether she was competent. So here's the other update for today. The Chandler Police Department submitted conspiracy to commit first-degree murder charges against Lori Vallow for the death of her fourth husband, Charles Vallow. So we're going to look into that right now. If you're brand new to the channel, I urge you to subscribe by hitting the little button in the corner of the on the bottom of the video. Join the greatest community on YouTube, and let's look into this now. Right on the heels of the indictments for Chad and Lori for the deaths of JJ and Tylee, and for Chad for Tammy, the Chandler Police Department in Arizona has recommended an additional charge against Lori Vallow Daybell. The Chandler Police Department spokesperson said that a charge of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder for the 2019 death of Charles Vallow, Lori's fourth husband, was submitted to the Maricopa County Attorney's Office on April 1st. The police say that the Maricopa County Attorney's Office is reviewing that and the submitted charges and will make a decision if they will proceed with prosecution. Attorneys representing Charles Vallow commended the effort, saying they were grateful for all the law enforcement involved. Charles feared for his life and predicted his demise from the day he stepped in our office and said, "If anything happens to me, it was Lori and her brother Alex who did it." According to a police report, on July 11th of 2019, Lori's brother, Alex Cox, shot and killed Charles Vallow in Lori Daybell's Chandler home. Charles Vallow went to his then wife's home at around 8:30 a.m. that day. The two got into an argument, according to a statement from Chandler police. It was not immediately clear how long the couple had not been living together at that time. Now, Cox allegedly intervened in an attempt to de-escalate the situation, but he and Vallow then got into a physical altercation, police said. Charles Vallow allegedly struck Alex Cox in the head with a baseball bat, and then Alex Cox shot Charles Vallow twice in the chest. Charles Vallow was pronounced dead at the scene, and no charges were ever filed against Alex Cox. Now, you might remember 6 months after that shooting on December 11th, okay, exactly. It was July 11th, December 11th, Alex Cox was found unresponsive in his Gilbert home and was later pronounced dead. Okay, here's a statement that was made by the attorneys representing Charles Vallow on the Charles Vallow murder investigation. May 27th, 2021 is what it is dated, and it's from Mesa, Arizona. It says, "This statement is made in response to recent developments in the murder investigation of our former client, Charles Vallow. We are grateful for the diligence shown by the many law enforcement agencies involved in Charles's murder investigation in Arizona, as well as the related homicide investigations taking place in Idaho. We are also grateful for the news that the Chandler Police Department has submitted their investigation to the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, recommending Lori Vallow be charged with conspiracy to commit first-degree murder in the death of Charles Vallow. Charles feared for his life and predicted his demise from the day he stepped into our office and said, 'If anything happens to me, it was Lori and her brother Alex who did it.' Our hearts and prayers go out to all the people affected by the heinous crimes and know that complete justice can never be achieved in these cases. Nevertheless, our hope and faith remain that the criminal justice process will appropriately punish individuals responsible for these crimes. Stephen M. Ellsworth, F. Taylor Larson, the Ellsworth Family Law PC. The day that Lori and Chad were indicted on murder was J.J. Vallows' birthday. And Kay and Larry Woodcock, J.J.'s biological grandparents, had a statement, a few things to say. They say it has been a roller coaster of emotions, and I quote, "Yesterday was not a good day in the fact that it was JJ's birthday and he's not here with us, 9 years old. I can only imagine what he would be like today at 9 years old. It was a hard day for us, but on the other hand, it was a wonderful day that people are finally being held accountable, absolutely accountable for their misdeeds." And that was what Larry Woodcock said. While Lori and Chad are facing these new charges, Kay and Larry said they're not done seeking justice. Next on our radar is Chandler, Arizona for Charles Vallow. We've got 3 down, 1 to go, and he's next, Kay said. A spokesperson for the Maricopa County Attorney's Office says it's not clear when a decision will be made on the Chandler Police Department's recommendation that Lori be charged with first-degree murder regarding the death of Charles Vallow. So that's what we have for you today, right now. That's the latest update on the Vallow case. Of course, we'll keep you abreast of anything else. No verdict yet. The jury's done for the day in the Molly Tibbetts case. They'll be back deliberating tomorrow. So we'll talk about that more tonight. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a great evening. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.